Hey friends, if you encounter the VCRUNTIME140 DLL missing error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now they have given a direct link to download the DLL files. Actually, they have given the direct link to download Microsoft Visual C++ C distributable. But here's what you can do at your system. Search for Microsoft Visual C++ C distributable in the search bar. Okay, Bing search bar, Google search bar, anything. And since hundreds of people have been helped by it, the solution is definitely going to work. Now go to this one, Microsoft Visual Redistributable latest supported downloads. Select the first one, Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Scroll down and then click on the x64 version and then run this, and then you can click on this option. It will also ask you to restart your system after installing it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.